I love going to Sturgis. A lot of people come from all over the world to come there.
Hello, Dave here.
I went out to Sturgis last year and was walking through town, looking at all the vendors and the swap meets, and I saw all these parts. I was like, boy, you could just put a bike together with parts that you find out here if you knew what you were doing.
This is Jerry Jackman again.
I came up to Jerry's shop, and actually he wasn't in, and I talked to Steve, and the first thing Steve said was like, Jerry's gonna say no.
For Jerry to shut down in the middle of the summer for a whole week was a big deal.
Yeah, I thought it was crazy, but what the hell, you're only here once, might as well make a good time of it. I figured we can do it.
This is the office here. To get the ball rolling, I met with Jeff Campbell over at Hungry for Music.
What Hungry for Music does is provide music instruments for underprivileged children. We donate to individuals, we donate to after-school programs, we donate to school programs. That's what we do.
To do it for a charity seems like a great idea.
I was really excited that he decided to donate it to Hungry for Music.
We got there Monday, we started looking for parts.
Went to a lot of places and looked at parts. We went out and started surveying every place that had parts so I could get an idea of what was out there.
There's a Jesse James tank right there.
We can use a lot of this stuff, so what we'll do is we'll come over here and make him wheel and deal for the whole deal. Come on, man, you got to give us a deal on that thing.
Get the money, I'll take it.
Give you a good discount
on it.
We went out and negotiated and actually got some pretty good deals.
We went to the pit bull people. We talked them into giving us a lift.
You can't build it without the parts.
I can't help you with the 188.
We just want a motor.
I hope they have the part that we need.
Let's go. We didn't have a frame on Wednesday.
What I got accomplished today, as you can see, we don't have much to put a bike together yet. All I got done today was I invited a bunch of girls from the Bikini Car Wash to come to our party on Friday.
People are there to party. Most everybody's into having a good time. Steve's a younger guy, he's single. That's what he's going out there for, to have a good time, maybe meet some women and stuff. It just didn't happen.
We realized that some of this was going to be a little bit harder than perhaps expected.
I was under the impression the frame would be there on Monday, but it wasn't there. We walked around, we went to the convention center where we actually found a frame.
The frame is like the premise of the whole bike. Steve said he found us a frame.
You're gonna have to go over and look at it, but I'm sure we can make it work.
Well, you were saying you'd be back in an hour. It's sold.
They already sold the frame out from under us.
I mean, the guy just walked away.
Okay, that's fine. That's all right. We can find more. Me and Steve got together and said, hey, let's get all the stuff we need. We're building this bike. We had this plan. Yeah, we'll get this thing done, and then we'll be riding, and then it's on the phone. Nothing. Could you get me a rear pulley? I'm still missing a rear pulley. Just put it in there. I'm desperate at this point. 6:20 to get it here by 10 tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, it's here!
You guys got all kinds of goodies for us?
Custom cycle?
Yep, that's us. Building the bike, that's the easy part. One wheel. Look at that, man.
Saturday at about 1 o'clock, we lowered it off the lift.
Look at that, it even sits nice.
Backed it out.
Finally, the bike was put together, and we have to start it. Whew. Oh man, look, boom, it fires right up. And then we got to ride it down the street. That's the best part. We were actually amazed that it ran that well. We decided to have like a party and an open house at the same time. We had Hungry for Music here, and we ended up presenting the bike to them.
We're a grassroots nonprofit, and we plan on raffling it off, and we'll use the money that we make from the raffle on music instruments for underprivileged children. We hope to sell 10,000 tickets.
So that ends up being like 100 grand, so that's a pretty good chunk of change.
Well, I'm inspired by Dave, who had the bike built in a week, so I figured if he could build the bike in a week, we could sell 10,000 tickets.
Going to Sturgis and building this bike was one of the best summer vacations I've ever had.